Welcome to Collecting Rare Records with Lou. Hello, and welcome to Collecting Rare Records with Lou. I'm Lou, your host, and I'll be taking you on a cavalcade of rare and scarce 45 RPMs. They were released in the 50s and some in the 60s. Relax, have a cold drink, and we'll dazzle you with some rare 45s that were released. First one I want to show you is this is the complete Crow's run on Rama label. This is their first one on Rama number 3, 7 Lonely Days. This record is worth anywhere between $8 and $1,000. Next one on the Rama label by the Crows is a red wax copy of G, which sells anywhere between $100 and $400. This one is in VG Plus condition. This was their second release on Rama. Their third release, which is in a company Rama sleeve, was a song called Heartbreaker on red wax on Rama number 10. This record is anywhere between $800 to $1,200. This record is in VG Plus condition. This was their third release on Rama. Their fourth release was this song here. Their fourth release was this song here on Rama number 29, and it's called Baby. This one is in VG Plus condition and sells anywhere between $100 to $200. Their fifth release was this little number right here on Rama number 30. I can get it out of the sleeve. This one is on red wax and it's in mint minus condition, and the song is I Really, Really Love You on stunning red wax. This record can sell anywhere between $800 to $1,500. And on the other side is Miss You. There were some boots that were released that look almost the same. You just have to look at the matrix number on the record to show you that it's not a bootleg. Their next release was a song called Baby Doll on Rama number 50. This was their last release on Rama, and this record sells anywhere between $100 to $200. After that, they went to Tico, and they had a song on red wax on the label called Mamboshevitz, which I don't have in my collection right now. Here's a black wax copy of I Really, Really Love You, and that one's anywhere between $100 and $300. Here's a black wax of G by the Crows. This interesting record was released on G, and we normally know the G label as being a red on black. This was green on yellow. This is the original recording of Two Loves I Have by Bill Bass Gordon and the Continental and the Colonials on G number 12. This record is $1,000. The next record is by the Coins on red wax. $3,000. The Five Royals recorded a lot of interesting sides for the Apollo label. This is one of their red wax releases, and Courage to Love. That record has some slight label wear, but it is worth $100 to $250. Another release on the Apollo label by the Five Royals, and Baby Don't Do It. This is VG condition. This record is $90 to $100. A very, very scarce record I'm about to show you. There are only 5 in existence. And this record here is called Tell Me Mama by Little Walter, and it's on a red opaque checker label. Very rare. 5 in existence. It's a very rare record indeed. Next record is also very scarce. Is a song called Y.O. by the Rovers on green wax on Music City. This record in particular was released on both green, red, and blue wax. Green being the rarest, blue being the second rarest, and then the common one was the red and the black wax, of course. And that record can sell anywhere between $400 and $500. Next one on Music City is on blue wax, and the song is by the Midnights, and it's called She Left Me. And this was also one that was on multiple colored wax. This one was on red wax, but it did not come out on green wax. And of course the black wax version. This one is $500. And now time for some RCA scarcities. This one is Arthur Big Boy Crudup, and I don't know if you can see the label or not, because it's the combination of the label colors is hard to see, but it's That's Alright Mama on orange wax RCA. This one is worth anywhere between $300 and $500. I've seen it go for $600 in certain auctions. Next RCA is also Big Boy Crudup and Shout Sister Shout on an orange wax RCA. I won't take this out of the package. It is orange wax. It's by the Four Tunes, Old Fashioned Love. Same thing with this one. It is RCA orange wax and Red's Boogie by Piano Red. This one is called Coleslaw by Jesse Stone's, also orange wax. Okay, the Four Tunes with Careless Love. The Five Satins on Ember and To the Isle. Johnny Ace on Duke, Pledging My Love. The Ravens made a few records on the Columbia label in 1950, and this is one of theirs called You Don't Have to Drop a Heart to Break It on Columbia. This record is in mint minus condition, and it's an easy $800 to $1,000.